So, okay, well, the weather is probably like 35 degrees today, and I was supposed to edit the entire day, but I wouldn't say the weather is so good, but it's a nice sunny day, so I do feel like going out and do something. So I'm just gonna visit a buddy of mine that I haven't seen in probably 6 months or so. I don't know if you guys have met him. You can meet him now. Okay, so I just got to Mike's house. I made myself comfortable already. This is Mike, by the way.
Hi fans.
I don't know if Mike is keen to talk too much today. He just took a drive in from Johannesburg. So, and he left at like 3 a.m. So that's a bit harsh. How are you feeling?
Tired. I need sleep and food.
So, I haven't seen Mike for a long time now. And the weather is quite nice to go droning. And like I said just now, I was wanting to edit, but it's good weather, so let's see what we can get up to.
Let's check it out.
So we're back on record. We're back recording, and we had like so many funny things, and we wish
it just happened. We wish the camera was permanently on.
Yeah, we wish we had it on, but that's why you should be recording, and like Mike is saying, you should be comfortable in front of the camera. But you know what? Yeah. Honestly, in public it's quite awkward.
Yeah, it's extremely awkward because I mean you're walking around with like a camera apparatus looking at yourself.
And especially when you got someone with you, it's okay. But when you're alone, it's just
I can
awkward.
imagine.
And you know, people say no, it's just because South Africa vlogging is not popular, or it's Johannesburg vlogging is not popular, whatever. When I was in Bali, everyone was looking at me. When I was in Hong Kong, everyone was looking at me. And you would think in Hong Kong, it's such an advanced city, it'll be a norm. But it's not the case.
Yeah, I don't know.
What were you saying?
So now we need to get some water because Johannesburg is giving flames.
Boiling us.
And oh, we are talking about this camera thing and being comfortable in front of camera. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that.
Are you comfortable in front of the camera?
Kind of, yeah, because I mean, as I said, oh god.
Mike is cute, man.
Now people are I'm crazy, holding your shit. But anyway, as I was saying, get some high angles, yeah? So you don't see how short I actually am.
We got Mike vlogging in public.
Now,
tell us how, we're gonna go up this ramp. Tell us how awkward it is to vlog in public.
It's quite awkward.
Walk in the other direction.
I don't know where the ramp is.
Just jump up.
Oh god, bro. They're exposing my athletic ability here. Or lack thereof.
So, Mike is educating the people. Let's see how Mike's awkward factor is.
My awkward factor, walking through cascades while vlogging. Apparently, I'm supposed to be comfortable in front of camera.
Yeah.
Because my webcam at work is on all the time.
So we just need to grab 2 waters, and then we're gonna go drone after that.
And this Lizy almost knocked us over.
Yeah,
but it's fine.
He didn't give a damn about it. Okay, so we
traffic is nothing.
Yeah. So how do you be in the video?
You can be in the video. name an Instagram link.
So
I mean handle.
So we already got
clearly I'm not a vlogger.
We already got a couple of good fans over here.
Yeah.
Fans of us. And
it's cool. It's not so bad, eh? When people actually join in on the fun.
Mike is enjoying this because he doesn't live in Johannesburg anymore.
Exactly. So
you know what? He doesn't have to ever see these people again either.
But they might see me again if you get famous.
Yeah, that's cool. And they'll be so excited to be in the video.
Exactly. You might have just made someone's day. Maybe you made someone's life. I don't know.
So yeah,
Checkers, Easter savings, guys.
But you're promoting Checkers now.
You never know. They could see the shit.
Maybe it would be like Woolies water.
Go check out the hot cross buns.
Oh yeah. Maybe those hot cross buns will save you one.
Give us a wave, guys. Some people are camera shy.
So we just came here for water.
But now
Mike is gonna lead us to the right water. I don't know if Mike knows where he's walking.
I was kind of just walking randomly. I don't know where the water is. I don't shop here. Okay, but anyway, let's see.
So what happens when you're vlogging and you see people you know?
Put them in the video.
Like your best friends, like.
Best friends?
Oh wait, it's reverse.
You see my water? I don't know why, as soon as I come to this, that felt awkward.
As soon as you.
Walking to this aisle, I felt awkward.
Okay, sparkling water for me. What you drinking, Mike?
Normal water's fine, man. So we're promoting being hydrated right now.
I just need another video of Mike vlogging in public. So proud. Such a.
Why is it? Why is it the feet? Is it
Vlogging
because
in public is the most awkward thing in the world.
it is extremely awkward. Like the looks are amazing. Some of the looks that you get from people are quite wild. You know, see. Tell them the shit's gonna be on top early.
So it definitely looks like Mike's taken over the vlog.
Today.
Yeah,
Just
for
for today. Anyway.
It's alright.
In a vlog.
Yeah, you can be in the vlog.
Oh, join. See, people love it. Where are we walking? You don't pay here.
There's a person.
No, they just closed.
From time to time, you must flip. Yeah, that's a good idea. We might have to edit it out.
Hi guys.
Good. How are you, more importantly?
Good.
Are you as joyful as your name?
Yeah.
That's a yes.
Yes. Oh, nice machine. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Her name is Joyful.
Come on, guys. Please, I don't want to be on TV. No way.
It's not TV, it's just a vlog.
Oh, okay.
No one will see it. Except like, I don't know,
Maybe 500 people.
maybe 500.
800. Yeah.
800.
Come on. There you go, guys. Thank you.
Hashtag joyful. That was fun.
So Mike, you know you can
Meet some friends.
You can flip the screen if you want, if you want to see the other side. Yeah, so just do this. Just put it like that. And then you're done. So you can get a bit of...
I'm getting like a full on vlogging tutorial.
Yeah, so while we're working... Are we working or are we walking?
Walking and
Okay, so you get that, and then now you can flip it back if you want, and you can face it the other way. So you can actually frame your shots. So that's why it's so much better than having a cell phone. Because let's say using a selfie cam, you gotta now you can't. It looks silly to you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it
I mean, I
does.
didn't say anything, but you know what? You get me.
Yeah, we understand.
You understand each other.
I'm saying we like I'm part of the audience.
No, now you're
might
part.
just-
Now you're part of the creative team.
Part of the actual vlog. Good lord.
Are you in there? There's all my homies over here.
So now I know what it feels
What's
like.
happening? Have you get the homies and that?
Now I know what it feels like to vlog in
Hey Brian, what's
public.
happening?
Now I know what it feels like to vlog in public. Quite an
You know.
experience.
It's the experience.
I know how these people do it. Guys, join up. Yes.
Mike is overplaying his role.
This man, you are looking sharp today, my friend.
Mike should be full time in all my
I think
vlogs.
I'm actually enjoying this a bit more than I should.
Mike is a professional vlogger.
Apparently.
He's got this down.
Natural in front of the camera.
I don't even think we need drone footage or anything.
Oh, guys, come on, guys. What's your name, guys? Tell us, guys.
What
You can be in.
What's the YouTube channel?